Welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here. We are on day 5 of making these holiday cookies. So let's get with it. Today we are going to make a chocolate peanut butter cookie. So basically it's a peanut butter cookie with chocolate chips inside. This one is super simple. Usually you'll have all the ingredients in your pantry. So this is one you don't have to do extra shopping for. Doesn't have anything complicated going on. These are great cookies. These are gonna be great cookies to leave out for Santa and make with the kids because again, they're so easy to put together. And who doesn't like peanut butter? Unless you're allergic to peanuts, I get it. But man, I love peanut butter. So these I'm super excited about. So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe down below, smash that like button. Let's get cooking. This is another great gift cookie as long as you know that your patrons aren't going to be allergic to peanuts. We're going to start with our sugar, our brown sugar, some creamy peanut butter. We're going to add a little bit of water to this as well and a little bit of canola oil. We're going to blend this together until it makes this really creamy consistency. Really get those sugars mixed in and incorporated nicely. As soon as you have that to this delicious creamy texture, we're going to add a little bit of vanilla. We're going to add some egg whites and some eggs. Again, all of the ingredients are listed below, so you can grab the recipe down there. We're going to get this mixed nicely, and it's going to make this wonderful creamy texture. We're going to add our flour and our baking powder and our baking soda and salt to these. And as you will see at the end of this video, I needed just a tiny bit more flour, but you know, hey, we all live and learn. But I still think the flavor of these cookies turn out great. We're going to make this super creamy. And of course, the best part, we're going to add some semi-sweet chocolate chips to this. On a baking sheet, we're going to dollop our cookies onto there. And we're going to put them into the oven at 350 degrees and cook for 12 minutes. Okay, we did it again. And this is again a super simple cookie. I think that I needed just a smidge more flour in this cookie, but all in all, the flavor's great. The color's great. I think this is a great cookie. We're going to give it a taste. That is fabulous. This isn't a super sweet cookie. It's very savory, but thank you again so much, you guys, for being here. I will see you tomorrow. We're going to bring another delicious cookie. Have a great day.